Well, it's 1 o'clock in the night, and we are on the sets of Bharat Company here in Lucknow, and we have this the director Syed Ahmed Afzal, Sandeep Adhar, producer Archana Chanda, and Anurita Jha. Here to have you guys on board now, first of all. And I think this is the first time I think that we're doing an on location, and that too at 1 o'clock in the night, and it's like a cold Lucknow. So अफजल भाई, ये क्या आपने बारात कंपनी, आपने किस तरीके की आपने ये हंगामा किया हुआ है यहाँ पर लखनऊ में?
हंगामा तो काफ़ी कुछ हो चुका है पहले जो होना था. एक्चुअली अभी तो हम अपने प्री क्लाइमैक्स की तरफ हैं.
डेफिनेटली. एंड हियर्स Archana Chanda, she's a producer. आप कंफ्यूज हो चुके होंगे कि that she's looking like a heroine to you because of her good looks and everything, but she's the producer. So Archana, why Bharat Company? Because this is the first Hindi film that you're producing.
Yeah, I just had a very nice concept, and then I met Afzal and I got him on board, and he rewrote my script entirely, and he just wrote it in such a nice way, and this is the title which is given by him. Okay. So he was like, Archana, isko Bharat Company rakhte hai. So it's going to be really a lot of fun. And
we have this Anurita Jha. You've seen her in Gangs of Wasseypur, and what exactly are you doing in Bharat Company?
I'm playing a very important role in this film. Right. Again, it's a Muslim character. Okay. And I think I'm enjoying it completely. मतलब बहुत सुंदर role लिखा है सर ने.
In fact, Afzal bhai, he keeps on posting on Twitter about the screenplay and what exactly makes for a screenplay. Very, very interesting observations that he has. I think that makes it totally unique, and writing is definitely his strong point. Beautiful Sandeep Adhar. What exactly are you doing in Bharat Company, Sandeep?
Well, I'm playing this character called Mehak. Okay. And she's a wildlife photographer. Okay. And so it's about how she meets this, boy, Imu, and what happens in their lives, and their journeys together, and what happens. That's what it is all about.
And now, one of the strong points of Afzal is his selection for music, and they're shooting for a beautiful Qawwali over here right now. This is the final day of their shoot. What exactly is this Qawwali all about, and who's written it, who's composed it? Because I think it's बहुत बार क्या होता है कि that Qawwali को आज के टाइम पे उसको कहीं ना कहीं ऑर्नामेंट करने के चक्कर में वो एक जो उसकी जो एसेंस है वो कहीं ना कहीं आजकल कम हो जाती है. बट इसके अंदर वो एक जो रूहानियत या फिर एक जो संजीदगी है वो डेफिनेटली उसमें नुमायाँ हो रही है. सो ये क्या आपका इसमें टीम है, एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली है?
एक्चुअली when I was writing the climax, so I thought obviously since it's a dargah, we also should have a Qawwali, but the Qawwali should not be like the regular Qawwali. So when I sat with the music composer, who's like Ali Ghani Sahab, he has done a lot of albums, music albums with Pankaj Udas Sahab and Jagjit Sahab. So he sat with me, and I told him, I just gave him this brief that it should be half Geet and half Qawwali. So Shakil Azmi Sahab has written the lyrics, and Ali Ghani Sahab has composed the music. Sameer Muhammad Khan, who's Ali Ghani Sahab's son, he sang Ae Khuda in Lal Rang. So he has sung this Qawwali.
Now, Anurita, everyone, in fact, my cameraman, I must tell you that he told me that she's the one in Gangs of Wasseypur, and immediately you just, because कुछ characters ऐसे होते हैं जो कि definitely ज़हन में बस जाते हैं, and it was a powerful role in spite of so many good actors in that movie, and it still is remembered somehow. So when it comes to what is said as like well written roles, so how important is writing for you as an actor?
I think it's very important. Whatever role you choose to do, it should be a very important part of the film, and it should add value to the film, and it however small or big it is, it should take the story forward. Okay. So for me that is very important, and this character, that's Yasmin Mirza, it's a very beautiful role in this film.
Now, Sandeep Adhar, you've had like a 7 Hours to Go where you played like a very, very modern character, and you had like Dabangg 2 as well. And now how different is this transition for you as an actor?
I think it's extremely different because I haven't done a rom-com. Firstly, I think except for my first film, which was a romantic film, everything else that I've done wasn't, was nowhere close to what Bharat Company is. So I think as an actor, I was looking forward to something like this, which kind of again showcases a different aspect of me. I think 7 Hours to Go was completely different from what Bharat Company is, and I'm so I was when I saw Lal Rang. I really, really wanted to work with Afzal. And I'd conveyed it through common friends, saying that, listen, if Afzal's making a film, please, I want to be in it.
Such beautiful women praising you. How do you feel?
I'm completely like,
He's surrounded by women.
yeah, good looking women, good looking producer, good looking actresses, all of them, yeah. So, kind of like they've done so well, like I just can't tell you right now, just wait for the film. But whatever they've done so brilliantly. And apart from that, I would also like to mention whatever my producer has done for the film. It's like just out of this world. Like the kind of locations like she's given us, and the kind of facilities she's given us, like it's amazing. And the way we wanted to shoot the film, I had a vision. Okay, it should be shot like that, and it has been fulfilled like to the max. Whatever, like जो भी हम कर सकते थे अभी maximum वो हुआ है. और इन दो बच्चियों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. इसको प्लीज़ ज़रूर देखें. और मैं उनको बच्चियों ही कहता हूँ, और सेट पे भी यही कहता हूँ मैं कि
सेट पे बच्चे क्या कहते हैं बता दो जरा.
बेटा कहता हूँ मैं, कुछ नहीं.
Okay, now when exactly are you planning to release the film?
We are planning for May. So we are still May 2017, yeah.
May 2017. All right. Any final words on Bharat Company?
I think Bharat Company is one of those films where when you come, you'll find absolutely like rainbow has 7 colors. It has multiple colors.
Right.
So you will not be like, oh, this is just a romantic film. Oh, it's just a raw film. It's beautiful. It's a compilation of different shades of life, be it friendship, romance, action, drama, all of it.
Bharat Company. How can you sum it up?
I think it's a very realistic movie. I mean, when I'm very sure any girl who's going to watch it or any guy who's going to watch it, like, oh, this happens with us. Oh, this has happened with us. So it's that realistic. The way she said, it's not cliche at all. Like mostly the romantic comedies are quite cliche, but this is a real realistic movie with a lot of craziness, a lot of quirk in it, and you're just going to have fun. It's like
And you have a new hero as well that you're launching.
Yeah, and
What's his name and
that I think you should ask the producer, but I would just like to say that I'm dealing with someone full of talent, and he's like almost like an atom bomb when he'll come on screen, because he's got a great screen presence. And I think we should wait for that moment when he arrives, and then we'll talk more than this about him, and we'll also share a lot of moments with you, obviously, whatever happened on the set, like how we improvised and how like that bonding happened. Like for example, I'll just tell you, there's this Steadicam operator of mine, and I don't know how like that bonding like happened with him, and for the past 3 days there was this thing happening in my head, I think I should incorporate him in a scene. And we did that scene with the Steadicam operator, and I think that is the most hilarious scene of the film, because he's a non-actor, and I love working with non-actors because I don't tell them much. I just leave it to them, like what you have to do. I just tell them, okay, this is this and this is this. So they do it with utmost honesty, without like saying, okay, I want to have that much amount of footage or anything like that. So he did that, and we were like just rolling off. So there were many moments like this, which obviously we will discuss, and with obviously my protagonist hero and the girls, the bachchiyas of Bharat Company. No, मजाक कर रहा हूँ, but ये मतलब Bharat Company की तितलियाँ हैं.
That is better. Please. Okay. So how can you just sum up the experience of Bharat Company for you?
I think it's complete fun, mad entertainer. I think everyone's going to enjoy watching the film because it's there's something for everyone. Like the other day we were shooting the song, and my hairdresser comes up to me and she tells me, whatever you're showing in this has actually happened to me. So she called up her husband and made him listen to the song and to the lyrics, which Afzal has written himself.
Okay.
Yes, it's a beautiful romantic song.
Okay.
And so she made her, husband listen to the song, and they were reminiscing about their, because their journey was something similar that happened between Imu and Mehek. And so she was telling me it was so real, and I kind of,
was humming the song like throughout the shoot.
Correct.
Yeah. So she came to me also and she said, like, what you have done here, like people will relate to it because I'm doing it right now when it is getting shot. So I said, like, okay.
Fantastic. All right, so thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama, and looking forward to, after listening to so much about the film, looking forward to watching the Bharat Company very soon, and we hope that you have a good time in post production as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
for coming
Thank you.
here
Thank you.
and
Like
take-
1 o'clock in the night.
Yeah, exactly. Like you're shivering.
so much.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
For your thing also, like he's got fever, but still he's there. Yeah. Thank you so
All
much.
right, that's all we have from the sets of Bharat Company with cameraman Tahir Sheikh. This is Faridun Sharia. Keep on watching.